Hi everyone, today's headlines. SIT to probe Tongsu incident. State government projects Rs 1115 crore for power projects to 15 FC. Nagaland Covenant tally 10,460. North Police Station Kohima gets ISO certificate. 5 killed and 5 critically injured in blast in Bengal plastic factory. Taylor Swift is 2020 Apple Music Award Songwriter of the Year. NDPP slams NPF uncalled attacks. NPSC notifies on speed tests. Exam days rescheduled to December 3 and December 4. Seized drugs worth Rs 1,63,705 destroyed in Mon. News in details. SIT to probe Tongsu incident. Hours after the pre-dawn attack on Tongsu village by some armed miscreants, police launched a series of raids at suspected locations under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police and Sub-Divisional Police Officer of Tunjang, which led to seizure of 4 weapons. According to a press note issued by PRO Tunjang Police, additional security forces along with police personnel of Special Task Force have been deployed at strategic locations in and around the affected place to prevent further escalation of violence. State government projects 1115 crore for power projects to 15th FC. In order to give impetus to the activities of Power Department, the state government has projected an amount of Rs 1115 crore to the 15th Finance Commission for various power projects to the state. Minister for Planning and Coordination, Land Revenue and Parliamentary Affairs, Neighbor Kronu, who inspected the ongoing revival work of Dulam Roy Mini Hydel project at Poiva village under Parent district along with advisor Power Tovihoto Ayumi, an official of Power Department Thursday, disclosed this while addressing the gathering at the project site. The project stopped operating in August 2019 as the main channel was damaged by massive landslide. Nagaland COVID tally 10,460. Nagaland COVID tally rose to 10,460 cases after 94 patients tested positive on Thursday. 71 in Dimapur, 12 in Peren, 7 in Kohima, 2 in Mon and 1 each in Kifuri and Peg. North Police Station Kohima gets ISO certificate. North Police Station Kohima has become the first police station and government office in the state to be accorded with ISO certification for quality management system. Speaking at a press briefing, Superintendent of Police Kohima Manoj Kumar informed that the initiative was started with the objective of providing quality service to the people and to maintain quality control for the future in whatever services the police delivered. 5 killed and 5 critically injured in blast in Bengal plastic factory. 5 persons were killed and 5 other critically injured in a blast in a plastic factory in West Bengal, Malda district on Thursday, police said. The incident took place in Sujapur area around 11:30 am, a senior police officer said. 4 factory workers were killed on the spot and 1 was brought dead on the hospital. 5 others have been critically injured in the explosion that ripped the establishment apart, he said. Taylor Swift is 2020 Apple Music Award Songwriter of the Year. Taylor Swift has been crowned Songwriter of the Year by the 2020 Apple Music Award. The Cardigan hitmaker has been announced as the winner of the top accolade at the tech giant upcoming 2nd Annual Music Awards. The win comes off the back of the pop superstar record-breaking album Folklore, which zoomed to the top of the Apple Music album chart and set the record for the most streamed pop album on the day of its release. NDPP slams NPF uncalled attacks. Welcoming the state government decision to increase the tax leveled on petrol, diesel and other lubricants and announcing its support to any initiative of the PDA government to help increase the state revenue, NDPP has castigated NPF for its uncalled attack on Chief Minister Nefirio and the government over non-issues and demanding rollbacks of government decisions. NPSC notifies on speed test exam days rescheduled to December 3 and 4. Joint NCS Secretary NPSC has notified that speed tests in shorthand for stenographers and speed tests in typewriters for typists will be conducted by the Commissioner and that the exams have been rescheduled to December 3 and December 4, 2020 for stenographer and typist respectively. The commissioner said that irrespective of the number of years a regular and confirmed stenographer has served in a particular grade, they may apply to appear the speed test for the next higher grade. Therefore, the appointing authority may nominate regular employees who are confirmed in service to appear for speed test on or before November 21, 2020, it added. Seized drugs worth 1,63,705 destroyed in Mon. Seized drugs worth rupees 1,63,705 were destroyed at Mon town on November 18, 2020 in the presence of EAC Mon, Kenpa along with representative from District Administration, Superintendent of Police, Mon, District Section Judge Mon, IPR Mon and Inspector of Excise Department. As per the statement given by Kevito Su, Superintendent of Excise and Prohibition Mon, 1891 Spasmo Proxivon capsule, 132 Nitroson capsule, 160 brown sugar or sunflower, 34.98 of opium and 4 tablets of OSD. A total market value of rupees 1,63,705 were destroyed. A DIPR report said that the items which were destroyed have been seized during the period from July 27, 2017 to August 2018, where 11 cases has been detected during the years. That's all for now. To get such latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.